Hello mga ante! So, andito pala tayo sa bus. Papunta tayong La Rochelle kasi doon tayo sasakay ng train papuntang Paris. So, nakikita nyo ba yan siya mga ante? So, pwede kayong mag-charge dyan at kung magkano yung nabayaran kong ticket bus papuntang La Rochelle are 230 euro lang siya. So, sobrang lakas ng ulan yan mga ante oh. At super aga kung pumunta doon sa bus stop. And finally, nandito na tayo at maghihintay muna tayo ng magbukas yung sa train kasi 10:15 pa siya magbubukas at 10:49 yung biyahe natin. So, nandito pala ako sa toilet mga ante at sobrang daming nakapila. Ihing-ihi na ako. So, nandito tayo naghihintay. So, nandyan na yung train ko mga ante pero hindi pa siya magbubukas hanggang 10:15 kasi 10:49 yung biyahe natin. So, ayan. Hihintay-hintay muna tayo dito hanggang magbukas siya. So, malamig siya mga ante kasi mahangin din.
So yes guys, I'm here now waiting for my train. So yeah, train station. Going to Paris. So I'm here na in the train. So ayan. Finally.
So, by the way mga ante, yung train pala dito is by number siya. So, kailangan mong tignan kung saan yung number ng ticket mo. Doon ka uupo. So, may dala pala akong Skyflix dito. Galing talaga yan sa Singapore mga ante. So, yan pala yung ticket ko mga ante kasi I book online. So, binook ko siya sa online yung train ticket ko galing La Rochelle to papuntang Paris. At saka nabayaran ko 69 euro siya.
In the hotel guys, that's our hotel, New Orient. That's it. By the way guys, I'm already here in our hotel with my husband. So my husband is just went down to buy something to eat, so we do the quick room tour. Actually our room is small but it's better than you know, like other hotel. And you know how much expensive in Paris guys. Oh my god, 3 times expensive in America, like 5 times expensive in Singapore. Anyway, this is the main door. And so that's the bed. It's already messy, so it's just very like that. The door and then the bathroom. So it's here. Hi. So this is the bathroom and the shower curtain here is the shower area, and then charan, this is the bed. So anyway, they have their telephone here. So that's the name of their hotel, New Orient. And it's so, for me it's beautiful outside guys, you know. So we have TV and then this is the working area, or yeah, so the rubbish bin. So my shoes is there, so I'm wearing barefoot only. And they have chairs and they have this beautiful wardrobe as well. So I haven't unpacked my stuff guys, but I can put my stuff here. And they have the safety. This is the very important one. They have safety. And hey, so anyway, now this is the beautiful, this is my favorite part, you know. This is my favorite part guys, is the balcony. So we have the balcony and that's the beautiful view downstairs. So tonight we will sit here and that's it. It's very beautiful, right? Welcome to Paris everyone. Hey, New Orient Hotel Paris. Welcome. So welcome to Paris, guys. Good morning mga ante. Malamig yung hangin pero super sunny siya. So, alam niyo naman matatakutin talaga ako sa heights kaya hanggang dito lang ako. So, good morning. Good morning guys. Good morning mga ante. So, ayan oh. Ganda ba? So, good morning. So, nandito na pala si auntie nyo sa Paris, mga ante, kasi dumating na ang aking asawa. Ayan. So, may supermarket pala siya dun sa baba. Ay, hindi siya, parang mini supermarket. Yung parang ganon. So, ito yung balcony namin mga auntie. Yan, di ba ang ganda?